Alright, it is here, the 16 scale Traxxas Summit. This is the new brushed version with the rock and roll body. We're going to see what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright, so let's get this opened up. Just came in the mail, still got the plastic on. Well, first up, we see the truck. Let's get this bag of parts here out. Alright, so it comes with standard Traxxas parts, extra parts, few tools, warranty. Your comes with a nickel metal battery, and I believe this is a wall charger. It says on the box it's a wall charger. Let's set this to the side. Get the truck out. There's the truck. Give you a little closer view of it. Body's just got two body clips that hold it on. Pull those off and see what's inside. Traxxas Titan 12-turn motor, XL 2.5 with low voltage detection. The 1/16 Summit body, rock and roll body. There's your plug for the LEDs right there. The LEDs in the bumpers come pre-wired. Got your 16 scale battery trays here. Just push those little clips in and the battery tray opens up. There's the LEDs there on the top. Said they come pre-wired. You just got to plug them in. It's a good looking truck. Really excited to see what it can do. Okay, here it comes with the standard Traxxas pop qualifier radio. Just got the steering trim on it. Nothing fancy, but it'll get the job done. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe. If you want to see videos, I'm going to do some videos of it in action, some speed tests. Just stay tuned. Thank you.